Hello friends, my name is Saeed and today I want to update this training package, testing and commissioning training package. I recorded and I created this course in 2021 and now in March 2025 I want to update this training package. You know, the structure of the course is here. The first section is about the hardware setup of the different test kits and the general topics related to the testing and commissioning of the protective relays. In the next section, I discussed about the function test and testing with the RIO and X-RIO based on the function. In this section, I discussed about the overcurrent, directional earth fault protection function, and there are so many practical sections. And also, I will add more videos in this section. I will add more videos. I have CProtect 5 relays and I want to test different functions based on the overcurrent, and I will add to this section. And also differential protection function based on the function, the differences between the RIO and X-RIO, and how we can test and modify the templates of the relay. I discuss it in this section. And the different functions, impedance, autorecloser, voltage and frequency function. And also I will add more parts to these sections, to this training package in this update. And also I tested some different relays, like for instance in this part I discussed how to test CProtect 4 and CProtect 5, 7UT and 7UT8. About the RIO block, I discussed about the RIO block, the different parameters and how we can test the test procedure and how we can test this 7UT85 and 7UT6, CProtect 4 and CProtect 5. And also another case study, another relay, I discussed it how to test MyCom P44 distance relay. So today I want to update the first section, and also part M is related to the more videos. I collected some helpful videos from internet, and I will add more videos. Even in the update I will add more videos to this section, the videos which is helpful for you in this training package. Okay, now let back to the first section, into the introduction. Just as an update, let's go to the photos. I collected some photos and I want to discuss here, and then I will go for the first testing of the function. As an introduction, you know, there are so many relay test kits available in the market, from Omicron, from Webco, from ISA, from Mager, Freja, and so on, the double and so on. The concept is the same. If you can work with one of these relay test kit, how to test function, the procedure, if you learn how to do this, then you can simply just work with the software, and then you can understand how to work with the other test kit as well. I will try my best to add different